Now I'm going to show you how to create your own blog for your class. Now first, go to blogger.com. Next, sign in with your Gmail email account, as well as your password. And then click on New Blog. Give it a title. And an address without any spaces until you see that this blog address is available. Alright, if it's not available, you have to give it another name. Then choose a template. In this case, I'll be choosing simple. And then create blog. Next, you want to adjust the template of your blog. Click on More Options, then on Template. Alright. On the left hand side, click on Template and click on Customize. Choose the color scheme that you want. Under templates, you can also choose other things such as watermark or ethereal, or is it ethereal? Alright. You can also adjust the background, the color scheme of the background. Adjust the width of the entire block or the right sidebar. You can change the layout of your blog. If you click on Advanced, you can change the different types of font used in the different parts of the blog. Alright. Backgrounds, you can even choose the colors of the links, blog title, blog description, alright, tags, and all sorts. Now when you're done, click on Apply to Blog and go back to Blogger. Next, go to Settings and go to Posts and Comments. Now, very importantly, I would recommend that you always moderate your comments, because you never know what sort of comments might be placed inside your blog until it's too late. I usually get spam, but you might never know if there's some sort of offensive message that's posted there. Next, click on Anyone under Who Can Comment. Under Show Word Verification, just place No. Alright. Next, when you're done, click on Save Settings and then click on Layout. Now, there are a lot of gadgets that you can use in creating your blog, but here are some gadgets that I find to be really useful. The first gadget is the Labels gadget. Which is this one, Labels. Click on the plus sign to add it to the top of your blog. Now, it's useful if you want to categorize your blog according to different categories. For instance, English, Maths, Science, Social Studies. So at the top, I can just click on, let's say, English, and all the posts related to English will be shown on the page. Alright. Another useful gadget would be Linked List. Alright. Once you find Linked List, click on the plus sign Now linked list is where you place, where you put useful links that you use very often. For instance, some useful links that I use very often include vocabulary.com, alright, and Ask and Learn, and Old School. You can add other links such as a countdown timer, as long as these links are links that you use very often in class. Alright, and I can sort them by clicking on these arrows. I can also edit and delete. If I want to add a new link, for instance mystico.art, I just indicate for and add another link here. And click on Add Link. Then I save. Sometimes there are some gadgets that you want to delete. For instance, I don't want the pupils to know that much about me, so I click on About Me and I remove this section. Now when you're done, just click on Save Arrangement. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to create a post, a new post. Click on New Post. Give your post a title. Alright, first I'm going to show you how to create a link. So let's say I want to link to LMS. So I select this, select the text that I wish for them to click on so that they can link, and click on this link button and indicate the URL of the website. I would recommend that you click on Open this link in a new window. This way, whenever the pupils click on the link, a new window would open up. Next, I'm going to show you how to add an image to your blog post. Okay, let's say I go to Google search and I want to look for an image on fossil fuels. Then I click on Images. Now I just need to click on the image, right click, copy image, go to my post and paste it. Very easy. However, if you're uploading from your own computer, you need to click on this button here, Insert Image, and Upload, and choose the files that you wish to upload. Next, if I wish to add a video, I just click on Insert a Video. You can choose to upload from your computer, but most of the time I get it from YouTube. So let's say I'm looking for Mr. Parr's heat song, and I click on the heating song. Alright, I can align it to the left or to the center or to the right, and I feel that this is too small, so I can click on HTML, adjust the width to be 500 and the height to be 400. Now I have to do this 2 times for every video. And click on Compose to see what it looks like now. I can also adjust the size of the image by clicking on it and choosing from small, medium, large, or extra large. In this case, I just need it to be large in size. I can also add a caption and adjust other properties like title text and alternate text. Next, how do I create a table inside the blog. All you need to do is go to Word, create a table in Word, copy it, go to Blogger, right click and paste. And you see I can copy and paste the table from Word document into Blogger, which I think is pretty cool. Next, I want to give this blog post a label. So let's say I want to label it under skills. I give it a label skills, type in skills and click on done. I can also adjust other things like options, location, and schedule for when I want this blog post to be out. Alright, so I've given it the label skills, click on done, and I can also give it options, location, schedules, and other things that I can adjust schedule, so I can indicate what time and date I want it to be out. If I still want to work on this blog without publishing it, I can click on save, or else I can just click on publish. Now, then I come to this post list. I click on posts, and there's a post list with all my posts inside. If I hover around the posts, you can see there are these links called edit, view, and delete. So I can delete this post, I can also edit it. And I can also see how many comments there are for this post. Likewise, if I want to look at the comments that I need to moderate, I can click on comments. So to view the blog, just click here and you take note of the blog address, because it is this blog address that you'll be sharing with your class. If you see, this is the label that I have given to my first post, which is skills. So next time if I have more posts that comes under skills, I can just click on skills and all the posts related to this category will show. This is the blog title, alright, and this is my first post. Now these are the useful links that I've indicated just now. Now whatever blog post that I've gone to, this will always show. This is the blog archive, so it'll list out the posts that I have according to date. Alright, so that is it for creating your blog. If you have any queries, you can approach me. I'm Alexis. Alright, you can also look at my own class blog to see how you can use the blog in the classroom. So my class blog is class4cwellington 2012.blogspot.com. So this is my blog.